Okay, so today I made a big boo-boo. I was trying to deter the yellow shafted flicker that was up on our roof from hammering its beak against the metal top of our chimney, which echoed throughout the entire neighborhood and certainly throughout the entire house. It was like a jackhammer to deter it. My idea was to open up the flue of the fireplace as I heard him pecking away. Unfortunately, what happened is you can't see him in there, but when I opened the flue, yeah, I must have created a vacuum and sucked the poor gigantic flicker down into our fireplace, and he is in there right now. There he is. Hello, Mr. Flicker.
I want my idea here to kind of backfire. I don't know if my arm's long.
You try and catch it. Looks like you got it. Nice work.
I
Oh,
got
boy.
him. I got him. If you wanted to see him any closer, you have to be really careful of
Sure.
their beak. Like I have on
Quite a beak.
kind of some hopefully puncture-proof gloves.
Uh-huh.
But their beak, if it's strong enough to make a hole in a side of a tree,
Absolutely.
I don't want it to do it to my hand.
Absolutely.
Or any other part of my body. But I'm trying not to traumatize him too much, so I can release him. There we go. And I'll just take him some miles away, and hopefully that'll be enough harassment for the bird that it'll pick someplace else other than your chimney to come back to.
Very good.
So,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
All
Thank you.
right.